My name is Francisco Perez. I'm the founder and the president of ITQ. We are already a dedicated VMware partner for more than a decade. Started in the Netherlands with a very small team, helping a few customers. Today we are operating in 6 countries and serving more than 200 customers on a yearly basis, delivering more than 500 projects. What you see always is that the customers are very happy with the products that we are delivering to them, and there is a lot of success.
ITQ is unique in the industry because of the passion they have in what they do. And it's most technology, of course, but going for the goal for a customer, that's really what ITQ stands for. My name is Mike Jansen. I'm the managing director of ITQ Managed Services. We can bring flexibility and choice to customers because we have a lot of knowledge in the multi-cloud world, and we can advise customers on very different topics to go for that flexibility. We can help customers accelerate their cloud transformation by adding knowledge constantly. In a transformation, there are different kind of knowledge needed and different kind of technologies needed, and we can deliver those technologies and the knowledge to handle that on the spot.
We built a customer success team around that we can ensure that the things we are doing are bringing the things we promise to our customers. It is not always easy for customers to make the right decision today. That's also a right decision in a year. And I think the portfolio of VMware gives them a lot of freedom. The speed of new innovation that VMware is bringing into the products and into the market and into their customers is seriously high. The biggest value of being a VMware cross-cloud managed services provider is that there is already a very big install base with VMware customers who are very happy with the technology they have. And being a part of that means that you can bring a lot of customer success to your customers with the VMware technology. So that's, I think, one of the biggest benefits to being a part of the ecosystem of VMware. That's what VMware is bringing more and more, flexibility and choice, what you as a customer want. I think that's one of the big benefits portfolio that VMware is bringing to the customers. One of the customers was a leading innovator and a startup. One of the things they have to do is build sovereign clouds, sovereign infrastructure in every country they're operating. And how we help is that they can build their own VMware Cloud Foundation stack in every country, managed centrally from one place. And if there is more demand needed on the CPU or on something else, we can really easily stack a new infrastructure on a local place. In the past, that means that it takes like between 4 to 6 weeks to deliver the hardware, and also the installation was taking multiple weeks. What I can do today is like in a week operationalize a complete VMware Cloud Foundation stack in any country in the world.
We have a lot of connection points in our service, and we are constantly engaging with them to see what their next goal is and what their problems are. We can really help foresee what they need in their next step. And in their next step could be any kind of multi-cloud option. And with our knowledge, we can really help this customer get to his goals.
So what I think is really important between the partnership with VMware and ITQ is trust. We have a very happy customer set, and that's because of the combination of ITQ and VMware, and I'm really proud of that.